I've just had my car washed by Tyrone. He came right to my home. I didn't have to go anywhere. He gave me excellent quality service. I've been to the rest. Now today I know I've come to the best. You know, I don't always have the time to take the car and drop it off. So lucky for me, Tyrone's here in Marathon offering quality service for over 10 years. He came right to my house. It was incredibly convenient. And I'm very thankful that Tyrone's here in Marathon. Whether it's detailing, shampooing, or car waxing, Tyrone's got it all. He's got whatever you need to get your car nice and clean. Thanks, Tyrone. My car is beautiful.